A lot of employers come to us thinking it's a straightforward process and they can tick a box or just fill in some data. In reality, there's a lot more ongoing responsibilities once you've filled in the paperwork. I'm Bronwyn from Tranquill Legal, and we work with businesses and employers navigating Australian sponsorship and visa obligations. In this video, I'll give you 3 short points on key things that you should know as an employer if you are considering sponsoring an employee who is either in Australia or overseas. Point number 1, sponsorship comes with ongoing responsibilities. If your sponsored employee, once they've been approved, decides that it's all too much for them to stay away from their family or there's other significant impacts on their lives and they want to return home, the employer is responsible for that return trip home. This includes their travel to the airport, their flight back to their country of origin. It will be economy class airfares, and it will be the most direct route. So that direct route may mean they'll be on the plane for a long time, but it is an economy direct flight. Point number 2 is your record keeping needs to be absolutely on point all the time. The Department of Immigration can come and do an on-site visit at any time. They will give you some notice. They may not give you any notice, but you need to make sure your records are up to date at all times. So that means ATO records are up to date. You are paying your BASs and your IAS on time. You have all up to date paperwork based on your employee. Do they have a current employment signed contract? Do you have all of their current contact details in case of an emergency? All of their ATO paperwork is up to date. All of their super paperwork is up to date. The third point is sponsorship approval is flexible and it's worth keeping. Simply, once you've got your approved SBS, don't let it lapse, okay? It's much easier to just renew every 5 years than it is to get a new one. All you need to do when you renew is just provide current information. Whereas if you let that lapse, you've got to go right back to ground zero and provide evidence of your business being a financial proposition and being able to sponsor an employee. Pretty straightforward, but you will consider that there are some costs when you want to renew. But again, if you renew, the costs will be easier than if you have to go through everything again as an SBS, because you've got to go back to your accountant and get everything from the beginning. Simply, sponsoring employees is, for most people, a really, really profitable experience, both from a business financial perspective as well as experience for the employer that you're giving the opportunity to. In most cases, those employees are more than loyal to your business and they will promote the fact that you've given them an opportunity. When it's done properly, you really don't have to think about it. Once you've lodged the application, you will not have to consider, have I done the right thing, especially if you're using a professional to get that done. So basically, if you are looking to sponsor employees now, tomorrow, or next week, just get in touch with someone that knows what they're doing. We'll be able to give you the current legislative requirements for you as an employer and then work with you to get you across the line to where you want to be. And that's it.